Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Standard and Stanbic Bank. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Standard and Stanbic Bank. You will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then we will go to Play Store. We will search about Standard and Stanbic Bank. And then you can update your app if you find update here.